Welcome to one of the many videos in my YouTube channel. This is Hamza, and in this video, we're gonna be discussing in detail about the BTC, what's gonna happen in the next incoming days, what to expect, and when to get in to a specific trade. So there are a couple of things that I wanna talk about. So first of all, let's talk about the price action of BTC. What's actually going on the chart? When we see the daily time frame chart of BTC, we can observe a lower low, lower highs pattern printing on the daily chart of the BTC. We can see here that in the November market, break below the last higher low that market has formed in this bullish cycle of 2021. So after closing below this area, market just start to move in the downside direction. So we are having lower lows and lower highs, and market is moving toward the downside direction. Here we can also observe this trend line, which was supporting a uptrend, got broken to the downside here, and after that market is just keep moving toward the downside direction. And couple of days ago it just broke below the key support of 40,000 area. So this level, this green level, have been held many times throughout the history of BTC, but this time BTC just broke below the zone, and after that we just broke below another area of importance, which is 38,000 mark. So we are now trading around 35,000 area. So at the moment we can see here clean traffic of the market. When it start to move from this area, there was no resistance in this scenario. That means there will be no support also moving to the downside here. So now there are two possible scenarios that can happen. The first one is market can move toward this 30,000 green area, and from this area market will make higher highs, higher lows on the lower time frames, and then we can look for buying trades or liquidation price just below the area and target in these highs, because at that time we'll be able to break out from this trend line as well. Let me just clear the chat. So I just cleared all of the drawings from my chart, and this is a trend line I'm talking about. So currently we can see, let me grab the brush. Okay, so price is currently moving around this area, and next up we have this key support area that can hold the prices, because there was a clean traffic in this area previously. So there will be a clean traffic in this area as well, in order to create a balance between the structures. So market can move all the way toward the 30,000 area, and from this area, if the market broke above this trend line, make a higher highs on the lower time frames, then we can look for buys. First target this 42,000 area, second target 51,000, and all the way toward the 68,000 mark. On the other hand, from the current price, if we somehow close above the 44,000 area, break and close above the 44,000 area, so this will be a bullish indication, making this whole scenario uh, Vico spring and then a continuation toward the upside direction. So these are two possible scenarios that I'm looking at: either a bounce to this area and then smaller time frame, higher high, higher lows, and a breakout of this trend line, then looking for buys there. And on the other hand, from the current price, if the market close and break and close above the 44,000 area, then we will be looking for the continuation toward the 68,000 area. One more thing that I want to show you guys is this moving average crossover here. So if I zoom in here, you can see the blue moving average, which is a 50 simple moving average, and the red moving average, which is 200-day moving average. They all got crossed toward the downside direction. So this is called a death cross to the downside, and this means a great bearish pressure is going to be coming in to the BTC. So That's why I'm anticipating a push toward the 30,000 area and then a continuation toward this area. The 30,000 area is very important, as we can see couple of times here, here, three times here, consecutively, three times here. Market just got supported from this area, and in the early 21 crash, this area was held and supported BTC to make a new high. So that's why I'm having my eyes on this 30,000 area. Yeah, so that's all I got for the BTC. In order to summarize, we can say that currently BTC is in great bearish pressure. We are making lower highs and lower lows in the market. We have moving averages crossover to the downside, making it more bearish. And in front of us, there are two levels. First one is key level of 30,000 area, which is this level, and a bounce to this area, and then a lower time frame breakout from this trend line. This will be a bullish indication. On the other hand, a break and close above the 4,000 area will be a bullish indication for a move toward the 70,000 mark. So yeah, that's it. Very simple analysis. Just follow me on in this channel in order to get more kind of content like this. Drop your suggestion, and I'll be happy to work on those. Have a good day.